Okay, hello. Just received this radio, so we're gonna do a little unboxing. And it comes in a nice little box. This is the XHDATA D-220. So let's do the unboxing. So let me get something here to cut this. This is all I have with right here at the moment. So let's just cut this. Or not. Excuse me one moment. We're back with the XHDATA. Turns out I did not need to cut that. Dumb move. I can just open the flap. And what do we have inside? We have another box. So let's take it out of the box. Because this is the real box that we want to keep. In good shape, of course. You never know. So there it is. I got the olive green one here. Here's the box. Small little radio. Tells you the colors. Look which one is checked. This is the green one. So let's take it out of the box. See what we got. There's the radio itself. And a little operating manual. Don't know if you can see that. All right, let's take it out of the plastic. So it comes out of this, and we have it in another. Wow, two. Interesting. And here's the radio itself. It's a nice little radio. I like the antenna, the way it the antenna is built into it. That's kind of neat. So I'll be testing this out. I'll be making some reception videos, and I'll give you my thoughts. But here's the radio. Very simple. Volume, tuning. Got a little kickstand. I like that. My $80 Texan PL330 doesn't have a kickstand. And this one does, so I'm happy about that. I wish the Texan did have a kickstand. And here we have, forgive the shakiness, we have a headphone jack. We have 2 FM bands, medium wave and shortwave. And let's take a quick look at the bands. So we have 87 megahertz all the way up to 108 megahertz on FM1. FM2 is 64 megahertz all the way up to 108 megahertz. So that's the extended FM band. Medium wave, we go up to 1730, looks like, from 520. And then we have shortwave, which is 5.6 megahertz all the way up to 22 megahertz. So we're missing a little bit of the shortwave band, the lower end, you could say. But hey, this is for the price. It's so compact. This will make it anyway. You want to take this with you, lightweight. I'm gonna put batteries in it and see. Do not know how many batteries this takes. Does it tell us here? It does not. So let's just open it up. And it looks like it takes 2 AA batteries. All right. Look forward to more videos on this radio. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you enjoy the video, give it a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Thank you. Goodbye.